In this video, I'll show you how to install the Claude app on your Android phone. Whether you're new to AI assistants or simply want to start using Claude on your mobile device, the process is quick and easy. Just follow these simple steps. Open the Google Play Store. Make sure your device is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data for a smooth download. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store and type Claude. Press the search button on your keyboard to view the results. Look for the app named Claude, developed by Anthropic PBC. It's important to verify the developer's name before installing to make sure you're downloading the official application and not a similar-looking app. Once you've found the correct app, tap the Install button. The Play Store will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the Claude app. If you already have a Claude account, select Login and enter your account details. If you're new to Claude, tap Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. You may be asked to verify your email address before you can start using the app. Once you're signed in, you can begin chatting with Claude, ask questions, brainstorm ideas, write content, summarize text, and explore many of its AI-powered features. You can also adjust your preferences and notification settings within the app to personalize your experience. Success! You've installed Claude on Android. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more easy tech tutorials.